Hey friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make potato bhaji, which is potato patal bhaji, which is a very good combination if you have it together with chana roast. So let's quickly start with this. First thing, what I've taken potatoes, which is four medium size. As you can see, those are not very big, and which is 500 grams, four potatoes. I have to boil this one. So I'm going to pressure cook by using water and only salt. So I'm going to at least 6 to 7 whistle. I'm going to cook this. You don't have to overcook them. If they are almost 90% or 100% done, it's good enough. So let's start with this one. So guys, while our potatoes are getting boiled, let's keep the other ingredients ready. So now let's start with the cooking process. Everything is ready. Once the pan is hot, add oil, add mustard seeds, half a teaspoon. Once it's flatter, add cumin, half a teaspoon. Now add garlic, which is 1 pod. Add curry leaves, 2 sprigs. Now you can see the color of the garlic as it is getting slightly golden brown in color. We'll saute it for few more seconds. Now I'm going to add onion, 2 medium. Saute it well. Guys, one thing to keep in mind, onion you just have to sweat it on a medium flame. Check this, you don't have to give it golden brown in color. And then now add potato, haldi powder, and mix well. Now I'm going to add green chili, chop, and which I have taken 2, and then add water. I've taken at least 3/4 of a cup. Now add little bit of salt. Salt we have added while boiling. Now we need to add for this also. and mix well. Now why we need to add water is you need to cook the potato, and once they are cooked, this potato bhaji should be slightly on a mashy side. So you need to overcook the potatoes now. Guys, check this out. This is how patal potato bhaji is made. Add cilantro leaves for garnish and mix it properly. This is ready now. You have to check the seasoning, as I've already checked. This is how you prepare. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and this is ready to be served. Guys, check this out. This is how bhaji is made. Look how lovely it looks. Try this recipe at home and you all will enjoy this. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and family as well. And thank you very much and God bless you all.